I'm Callum Ward, site supervisor for GeoGrow Limited, and today we're in Milton Keynes installing 11 swales. The idea of the swales is that it collects the rainwater that comes off the roof and down the downpipe into the drainage that we've installed, and it will come into the 450 pipe, which you can see, and into our swales. We've got pea gravel in the centre of the swales just to hold the water, and we've also got an impermeable liner underneath the pea gravel in the type 1 to stop any water seeping through and underneath the bags. We've used the tie-back system on this job, which essentially means that the foundation bags that are laid with one bag straight, then one bag inverted into the wall for more support, and the next layers are all straight. There's 3 layers of gravel bags, as you can see. So the 3 layers of gravel bags would be for the water level, which comes up to the inverted pipe, and the rest of the bags are sand and soil, which will be sprayed by our hydroseeding department at a later date. It will grow through, just look like a grass bank.